The title Chartered Financial Planner is the most widely accepted gold standard qualification available for professional financial planners/financial advisors in the United Kingdom. At the end of November 2010, there are over 2,000 individuals who hold the title Chartered Financial Planner. Over 300 firms can now boast the corporate equivalent as Chartered Financial Planners. The titles of Chartered Financial Planner and Chartered Financial Planners were granted by the Chartered Insurance Institute CII. The Privy Council authorized the CII to issue the chartered title in 2005. Thus, a Chartered Financial Planner now carries equivalent qualifications and other established professions such as Chartered Accountants and Chartered Surveyors, etc. Membership of the Personal Finance Society, the leading professional body for financial planners, is required to be able to use the professional designation Chartered Financial Planner. The qualification fits into the National Qualifications Framework at Level 6, equivalent to a bachelor's first degree. Requirements to attain Chartered Financial Planner status. As an individual, one must study for and pass approximately 10 to 12 exams in various aspects of financial services and related subjects. Each exam offered by the Chartered Insurance Institute carries a certain number of credits in their qualification scheme. Credits can also be granted for equivalent exams passed from other awarding bodies. A total of 290 credits is required before chartered status can be applied for. This generally takes several years to achieve. One is also required to have 5 years relevant professional experience and to demonstrate ongoing learning by completing a certain amount of continued professional development each year. In addition, one is required to be a member of the Personal Finance Society, the professional body for financial planners, part of the CII group. Corporate chartered status. In addition, firms that can demonstrate the highest commitment to professional standards can apply for Chartered Financial Planners status. At the end of November 2010, there were 300 firms authorized to use the title. Retail distribution review. This review of the financial advice/planning profession, begun by the UK regulator, the Financial Services Authority, in 2006, was completed in 2012. Its recommended changes came into force on 31st December 2012 and is binding on all financial advisors. Among other aspects of the financial advice profession, reviewed was the level of qualifications historically and currently held by practicing financial advisors. For about 25 years, the minimum standard has been only the certificate in financial planning, formerly called the Financial Planning Certificate, which sits at level 3 in the National Qualifications Framework, equivalent to an A level. After various discussion papers and consultations, the FSA has stopped short of requiring advisors to obtain a level 6 degree level qualification such as Chartered Financial Planner, and require advisors to obtain a level 4 qualification equivalent to the first year of a degree by the end of 2012. Some of the RDR's key points are: people will now have to pay for investment advice. No commission will be paid from product providers to financial advisors for investments introduced to product providers. Investors know upfront how much advice is going to cost and how they will pay for it. Financial advisors can either be independent or restricted. Following the changes, financial advisors that provide independent advice now have to consider all types of investment areas. They can also consider products from all firms across the market. An advisor that has chosen to offer restricted advice can only consider certain products, certain product providers, or both. People must be able to identify and understand the service they are being offered. Text is released under the CC BY-SA license. For more details, see URL http://creative-commons.org/licenses/by-SA/3.0/original content is located at URL http://n.wikipedia.org/wiki/chartered_financial_planner